Data means a small collection of a small amount of information in a table form or something. Big data means collection of similar different various types of data together in a form. Here there is a big data, big data. Data is structured. Data is unstructured. Okay, data అనేది structured table form of structure.